To log into EveryDollar budget categories, start by going to the EveryDollar website or opening the EveryDollar app on your device. If you have not already, create an account by providing your email address and choosing a password. Once you have an account, click on the Login button and enter your email address and password to access your account. After logging in, you will be taken to the EveryDollar dashboard where you can view your budget and track your expenses. To access the budget categories, click on the Budget tab at the top of the page. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage all of your budget categories. EveryDollar has pre-built budget categories such as housing, transportation, and food, but you can also create custom categories to fit your specific needs. To create a new category, click on the Add Category button and enter the name of your new category. You can then set a budgeted amount for the category and track your spending throughout the month. To assign transactions to a budget category, click on the Transactions tab and select the transaction you want to assign. Then, choose the budget category from the drop-down menu and click Save. This will help you stay organized and ensure that your transactions are accurately tracked. Best practices for using EveryDollar budget categories include regularly reviewing and updating your budget, tracking your spending, and making adjustments as needed. It is also important to be realistic and accurate when setting budgeted amounts for each category. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use EveryDollar budget categories to manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. It is also important to note that EveryDollar is free to use and offers a range of features and tools to help you manage your budget and track your spending. By taking the time to learn how to use EveryDollar in its budget categories, you can take control of your finances and make progress towards achieving financial stability and security.